Okay, going to do a quick unboxing here of this. Just go ahead and cut the straps and get it so we can open up the box and make sure everything's here. So this I think is going to be a mount that maybe sits on the sink. We'll have to take a look. Here's that same plastic plate, but they've got a decorative plate that goes on top. I've got a feeling this has got to mount to that. I will look at the instructions. I will actually read those. Here's the hose system for this unit, which is a little different. And the way this is going to work is this guy here. One of these three is the sprayer, and I got a feeling it's this guy. These two have the mounts to go hot and cold. As you can see, one of them is marked. That's probably going to be the hot. Let's see what it says here. It doesn't say on it right now. Yeah, it says hot. So they marked the hot. This one probably says, oh, this one has a weight marker. That's where you put a weight. And that weight is right hidden in this box here. So basically what they have is they have a weight that connects to the hose right here. This is probably just a fitting that goes inside there to pinch it. But this weight will end up connecting to this hose, which ends up, that's a quick connect right here. You can see it's got a little release thing. I'm not sure how it works yet. I'll have to read about that. But this here will go around and will end up plugging into that, which will allow the water that's coming in, the hot and cold water that goes up into the system, to come back down, around, back up, and that'll be able to pull the hose out. This will connect on that line. So when you put the hose back, this weight pulls this hose back down towards the ground from up above, so you don't have that happening. You don't want this happening. You want the weight to suck it in and hold it in place like that, so it doesn't look, so it holds in place. But so let's go ahead and untie all this and kind of set it up and get it ready.